every student who enters the college or university. सबका एक ही ultimate goal है and that is placement. But let's be very honest. Placement के लिए degree matter नहीं करती. Matter करता है तो वो है skills. And that's exactly when the corporate lab changes the game. Hi, this is Sunidhi and welcome to the most powerful industry integrated learning spaces at CGC University Mohali Core Experience Center, powered by Capgemini. So this is not just a lab, rather this feels like just stepping into a corporate office. Because this is Capgemini Global Capability Center right here in our campus at CGC University Mohali. यानी corporate अब सीधा campus आ चुका है. Especially designed for BTech ESC and CST students, this center bridges the gap between academia and industry. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही नहीं होने वाली है, आपको रियल इंडस्ट्री के लिए तैयार किया जाएगा. And let me tell you, this is Capgemini first and only lab in North India, which is structured, industry driven and has learning spaces which you really need. Let me quickly tell you why this is a big deal. Capacity to train 500 plus students, 180 hours of structured training every year, 4 hours offline plus 2 hours online training per week, direct mentorship from Capgemini professionals, live project stimulations using real industry tools, enterprise-grade workflows integrated into academics, direct hiring opportunities through Capgemini and 10 plus partner companies. Or सबसे important, Capgemini is training the students and hiring 500 students per year. Now this is a serious commitment. From day one, students get hands-on experience with industry standard technologies, exposure to real-world project stimulations, improvement in coding, debugging, testing, and system design, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, better teamwork and communication. And here's the difference. As a student, you get the opportunity to experience the office culture, professional atmosphere instead of traditional learning classrooms. यानी जब आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे, you won't feel out of place. So this program significantly strengthens employability. Live project experiences boost resume value. High performance students are identified early. Better performance in interviews and technical round. And higher chances of securing core IT roles. तो ये सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग नहीं है, this is career transformation. So if you want to be industry ready, don't wait for the final year. आप अपने last year का इंतजार मत करिए. Start from the day one. So well, this is Core Experience Center powered by Capgemini only at CGC University Mohali. और मैं हूँ सुनिधि. I'll see you in the next video and this exactly what industry integrated lab looks like.